Effective persuasion is a skill that can have a profound impact on various facets of life. Whether you're trying to negotiate a business deal, rally support for a cause, or simply persuade a friend or family member to see things from your perspective, the ability to influence others is a valuable asset. Persuasion is not about manipulating or coercing others, but it's about presenting your ideas and arguments in a way that resonates with people, in a way that addresses their concerns and ultimately leads them to agree with you. In this video, we will delve into 5 proven tips for mastering the art of persuasion, helping you become a more convincing communicator and achieve your goals more effectively. Tip number 1 is to have an in-depth understanding of your audience. Before embarking on any persuasive endeavor, invest the time and effort to thoroughly understand your audience. This means going beyond surface-level knowledge and delving into their values, preferences, and even their personal histories. The more you know about the people you're trying to persuade, the better you can tailor your message to resonate with them. Ask open-ended questions. Actively listen to their responses and practice empathy to gain a deeper understanding of their perspectives. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to frame your arguments in a way that aligns with their beliefs and desires. Tip number 2 is to build credibility and trust. Credibility and trust are the foundation of effective persuasion. People are naturally inclined to be more receptive to ideas presented by those they trust and respect. To establish and maintain credibility, you must not only claim expertise, but also demonstrate it through your actions and behaviors. Provide concrete evidence of your competence, share success stories or case studies, and showcase your track record of integrity and consistency. Additionally, be honest and transparent in your interactions, as any hint of deception can quickly erode trust and undermine your persuasive efforts. Tip number 3 is to appeal to emotions and values sincerely. Human beings are inherently emotional creatures, and emotions play a significant role in decision-making. To effectively persuade, tailor your message to tap into the emotions and values of your audience genuinely. Whether it's appealing to their sense of justice, their love for their family, or their desire for personal success, connecting on an emotional level can be highly persuasive. However, it's essential to be sincere in your emotional appeals and avoid manipulating or exploiting emotions for personal gain. The more authentic you are, the more you'll be able to get through to people. Tip number 4 is to provide clear benefits and solutions backed by evidence. To persuade effectively, you need to clearly articulate how your proposal or idea benefits the people you're addressing. Highlight the positive outcomes and practical solutions that result from taking the desired action. Use concrete examples, statistics, and data whenever possible to demonstrate the tangible advantages. When people can see the direct benefits for themselves or for their communities, they are more likely to be persuaded. And tip number 5 is to utilize persuasive communication techniques strategically. There are several techniques you can employ to enhance your persuasive power. These techniques include storytelling, which involves crafting compelling narratives that not only illustrate your point, but also captivate your audience emotionally. Stories have a unique ability to make your message relatable and memorable. Another technique is utilizing social proof. Highlight examples of individuals or groups who have already embraced your viewpoint or taken the desired action. This provides evidence that others find your argument compelling. A third persuasive communication technique is reciprocity. Offer something of value to those you're trying to persuade. This can be in the form of information, assistance, or support, which creates a sense of obligation to reciprocate. A fourth technique is to emphasize scarcity. It's important to emphasize the unique or limited nature of your proposal or opportunity, as people are often motivated to act when they perceive something as scarce or in high demand. And a fifth technique is to ensure you maintain consistency. This involves encouraging small commitments or agreements that align with your ultimate goal. Once someone has made a commitment, they're more likely to follow through with the larger actions that are consistent with that initial commitment. In your pursuit to master the art of persuasion, keep in mind that it's a skill that can be continually refined and improved over time. By actively listening, learning from your experiences, and adapting your approach as needed, you can become a persuasive voice for positive change, contributing to a world where collaboration, empathy, and understanding are the cornerstones of effective communication. And if you like the content in this video and want to see more like it, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.